Here we go. I need my paddle. Oops. Here's where we are.
And away we go.
No boats yet. Not a lot, at least.
Wow, look how...
All the splashing is the fish jumping. I told Wayne that if one jumps in my boat, I'm keeping it for dinner. I worked hard for that. Paddled right next to it. Oh, almost.
It was great. I saw like 3 huge ones like this.
Uh-huh.
Been around.
I would absolutely get lost out here. So if you're going to go by yourself, make sure you have a good sense of direction. Or a good GPS on your phone. Because I have Wayne. If you don't have Wayne, then make sure you have a GPS. You know where we are, babe?
I think so.
Good.
I think this is where we came on the paddleboard. Like we came right around this corner.
Oh, cool.
I even think there was people, there might even be trails there or something, because they were saying there was like little trails back in there.
All right.
Because I think we went around this little island and then we went back on the paddleboard.
Okay, cool.
So if you want, you can see if that is a trail right here.
Let's do it. Like a trail, a walking trail, or
No.
a trail, a kayaking trail?
Kayaking.
Kayaking trail.
If that's it, then I'm right.
It looks like it.
It does. Yes. You want to go back there?
Yep.
Oh, cool. Okay, so we know where we are now. We just go around the corner and
He knows where we are. I just follow him.
we're at that place where we saw that real neat looking crab and stuff.
Okay. Still don't know. That's okay. Oops. We're gonna have a kayak crash. There, a little bit better. Man, we could hang our kayak from one mangrove to the next over the little canal. I mean our hammock. Did I say kayak or hammock?
Yeah.
Except for the bugs. They would find you. They would find me.
The bugs find everybody. Oh yeah, little trails. Little mangroves.
Now where? That's cool. Uh-oh.
I'll move.
I gotcha. That dolphin sounds like a man laughing. Funny how they mimic humankind. What do you think, Skipper? Well,
Can't go that way.
why? What's that way? Oh, okay.
We could go back over towards the park if you wanted.
Okay.
Back out where we came, because this is just kind of taking us back a little bit.
Okay. Yep. Man, that sky's pretty.
It is beautiful. Oh no, unless we can get around through here. We might be able to
Let's
go.
try it.
Okay.
Ooh, going backwards. There. I'm getting thirsty. He said something about a tiki bar on the water. So I'm hopeful. Except I didn't bring shoes. Hopefully they're okay with that. It's Florida. It's a tiki bar. I'm sure they're fine. And that is probably... What's that? Oh, someone's crashing the water. I wonder if we could pick that up. He just asked me if I knew where we were. Of course I said yes. We're in the water. I'm kayaking. That's all I know. I'm very smart in some things. Well, mediocrely smart in some things. In other things I'm clueless. That's where we fit each other well. We both love this stuff. We love kayaking, biking, having fun. That's what we do. I've got the best person to do it with. I don't know if you can see the sign. It says, "Welcome to Fort Pierce Inlet State Park." Boundary. Oops, just jumped. Ooh, that's a dead fish. Oh, yuck. You didn't need to see that. What's up there? Ah, cool. Looks like it, yeah. Kingfisher. I don't know if I can zoom in on it. I don't have a very good zoom. Let's see. I don't even see it. Maybe you can. Oh, it flew away. It's getting warm. We have to stop, get a drink, reapply the sunscreen. At some point, we'll see where this man is taking us. There we are. Coming in right behind you, kind of. Ah, perfect. Oops, there he goes. Almost there. Long day, but a fun day of kayaking, exploring, keeping our feet in the water, stopping for a little drink here and there. Well, just one place. Ugh. Now we're done. Get on back and enjoy a little more refreshment. Oh, I better turn. Ooh, there he is. Ugh. Oh boy. There's the guy who's going to, oh boy, who's going to save me. Oh, what a great day. Get right on up here and put the kayaks back on the car, which that's tiring. But here we are. You're showing us your best side. All right, let me get out.